Having this with your Hausa cocoa in the morning during this Xmas will not be bad at all. This was very simple, easy to make. Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Lena and welcome to my kitchen. We do easy cooking recipes, and today I'm sharing with you my bofrot or toogbei, which is also known as puff puff in Nigeria. Let's make it. I have with me here my 2 cups of soy milk. You can use any milk of your choice. You can even use some water and you are good to go. Now I'll pour it in my bowl that is warm, okay? And then I will add a tablespoon of yeast, a tablespoon of sugar, mix it very well, place it in a warm place for 10 minutes, and I'll be back very soon. Okay, thank you so much. My returning subscribers, thank you for always watching my videos. I do appreciate it. So I have with me here my 3 cups of all-purpose flour. I've added my 3 tablespoons of sugar, a tablespoon of nutmeg, and then a pinch of salt. I'll stir it so it combines. Thank you so much. I do appreciate your time. Very well. So after 10 minutes, I'm just going to add this to the milk and the things that we placed in a warm place. Mix it very well so it becomes uniform. Are you still with me? If yes, have you subscribed? Have you followed? If no, can you do so for me? Thank you so much for doing it. I do appreciate it. My returning subscribers, thank you once again. Please, after watching this video, do not hesitate to share to others. Please like, comment, and then please do not forget to follow for more. Now I will mix it very well so it becomes uniform. Okay, so as I'm doing it on the screen, thank you so much for your time. I'll go ahead and add my vanilla. You can use any flavor of your choice or you can omit it. Okay, thank you so much. I added a pinch of salt as well, and this is what we have. I just want it to be very smooth, then we can continue with whatever thing we will do. So now I am done with everything. I will place it in a warm place for an hour. After an hour, this is how it looks. I'll go ahead and dip my hand in it, bring some of the air out, then we can continue. The other side of the video looks dark because I have some insect trap just beside me. That is what is making the video look dark at that side. I'm very sorry. From today onwards, you're not going to see that in the video again. Thank you so much for your time. Now this is how we are going to drop it in the oil. As I'm talking to you right now, our oil is on fire, and let's go and start frying this. This was very simple and easy. Just look at that. The fire is not high and it is not low as well, okay, because we don't want it to soak a lot of oil and we don't want it to burn whilst the inside is not well cooked. So just look at that, so beautiful without beautiful round shape, and I just love it. If you don't hold it, okay, the bofrot can turn by itself, but if you hold it, then you need to flip it yourself. So as you can see, they are turning because I've not hoarded it. Okay, I have some space in it. Do you get it? Yes. So now I will just go ahead and then make sure I flip it to the other side. Okay, thank you so much. Now our bofrot or toogbei is ready, but we just want that very beautiful brownish color. Okay, just look at that, so beautiful, so nice, and this looks so delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Until I come your way next time, always remember to take good care of yourself. See you in the next one. I love you. Bye.